Hello and welcome to the usage video for Gimme Loot. Gimme Loot is a very simple script that allows you to put a bunch of things inside of a bag, click a button on a thing, and voila, receive a random item inside of the bag. Now, random. Let's say we have all of these items. What's something that we got the cats, and we got Johnny Stabby here. Yeah, let's put Johnny Stabby inside of it. And I get the cat. I get Johnny Stabby. Come on, give me the cat again. Third. Well, I got Johnny Stabby again. So, yep. Random. You can put whatever you want inside of here. There's no any extra setup aside from throwing the items that you want inside of there and pressing the button. And if you want to make more buttons, right click them, clone, new button. Also, one thing that I added in here that I quite liked was if you hit the button, it puts the item away from the bag by 1 unit, or by 2 units. So it doesn't matter where you are, it rotates it appropriately and pushes it away from the bag. That way it looks right when you're trying to deal it out to a user. Alright. Thank you, bye.